Hi guys, I'm going to show you in this video how you can show an FPS overlay on any game thanks to the new UI from Steam. Let's begin. Once you have opened Steam, you want to go to the top left corner where you see Steam, click on it, and you want to go into the settings. Once the setting menu is open, you want to go in the left side where you see in-game. Click on it, and here you're going to see this option of in-game FPS counter. You want to change this drop-down menu from off, and you want to select in what part of your screen you want to have it. For example, I want to have mine in the top right corner, so I'm going to select that. And in the second option, in-game FPS counter high contrast color, I recommend you guys that you set this into on, because with this off, the FPS counter is going to be in white, and like this, it's going to be in green. Now let's start one game and let me show you how this goes. Now when you're launching one game, you use this option right here. You want to select the Play with Steam overlay enable. Click into play. And now you can see on the top right corner, you're going to have the FPS counter enabled. That is pretty much it for the tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed, don't forget to drop a like into the video and to subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.